So, Ian Joshua Ocortes from 10 towns. Tapos, sa tempo proof. So, given ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in a circle. Tapos, ipoprove ay diagonals or diameters of the circle. Proof and reason. Proof ABCD is a rectangle. Reason given. Angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D are right angles. Dahil given a rectangle siya, ibig sabihin, lahat ng angle niya is, lahat ng corners equals 90. So, angle B, angle A, angle C, angle D equal 90. Definition of right angles. Tapos, arc BC equals 2 times angle D, and arc AD is equal to 2 times angle C. Bakit? Inscribed angles are equal to 2 times its intersected arc. So, that's a theorem. Next, arc BC equals 180, measure of arc AD equals 180. MPE. So, multiplication property of equality. Ano natin. Then, measure of angle BC is equal to 180. Measure of angle AD is equal to 180. Central angles are equal to their intersected arc. Then, BC is a straight line. So, alam naman natin lahat ng 180 degrees ay straight line. BC is a diameter, AD is a diameter. Since that the rectangle is inscribed, which means that its corners are on the circumference, diagonals are always on the corner of the rectangle, which means ang 180 degrees is nasa gitna siya ng circle dahil dahil diagonal siya ng rectangle, which means they meet on a certain point, which means yun yung central, which is yun yung center ng circle dahil inscribed na yung rectangle, which means kung ano yung gitna ng rectangle, yun din yung gitna ng circle. So, yun. BC is a diameter, AD is a diameter. Thus, I conclude diagonals are diameters of the circle. Thanks, and subscribe for more videos.